Retirement left me really bored. I wasn't using my creativity and learning anything new. And I missed that sense of growth. And then the cost of living started knocking on my door. I couldn't pay for my daily expenses. The bills kept piling up. And in the end, I didn't know where to turn. And then a friend of mine suggested this proven, fully automated system where I make 100% profit by only working 2 hours a day, which was perfect for me in my retirement. And the cherry on the cake was I had no overheads, no recruiting, and no inventory. All I had to do was show up, be coachable and consistent, and my business started to flourish. With this business, I get to create, grow, and build something really meaningful. It's not just about the income. It's also about the mental growth and the stimulation I got. Put ready in the comments if you'd like to wake up and follow my 6-figure blueprint to financial freedom.